Hey YouTube, how you doing? It's Truckin' E here. How's everything? Today I'm here giving you a little update on this sweetheart right here. Yep, so as I said, it has a brand new radiator in it. Yep. Um so yep, it's a 4-cylinder 1991 as I always say. And it's an automatic. Yep, so yep. As soon as I get settled with everything, oh, I want to tell you, look. The hubcaps are off because if you see, I took them off right there too, because I plan on maybe gonna, after I'm done with the mechanical work and the body work, I might get some new hubcaps or maybe get some center caps for this part on all four wheels. Yep. Oh, and a friend, a buddy of mine, came over, looked at, and he said, "So this will stay on. This part will stay on here until I get a new paint job in the future." He's the same thing I am. Trump, 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 Trump. Hillary for prison. Hillary Clinton. Go. Yep. Goodbye, Obama. I hope you and the Democrats have a big, happy family, and I hope you have a good Christmas, big ass Christmas, because nobody's gonna have a Christmas as long as you're president, because everybody's spending too much money to live like us. But that's different than right now, what I'm talking about right now. So, yep. And once in a while, I sanded down this part right here, and I'm gonna probably paint that in the future. Both wipers. I gotta get these replaced, the wipers, and I gotta put the fluid thing in, windshield washer fluid thing under the hood. So, yep. As I always say, it's a 1.64. Yep. You put the... Yep, so that's where the windshield washer fluid goes. The fluid thing. I definitely need a belt, but after I get the air conditioning, with the air conditioning compressor that I'm going to replace, this fan is not really functional. This fan right here, so I might get that replaced. So this will be my good on gas car. As I told you in the last video of the Corolla, the radiator, this is a brand spanking new radiator, and I had to replace this hose right there because it was leaking when we put antifreeze in. But thank God we had like a little cat litter bed thing to. Yep. I gotta get that exhaust manifold replaced, and that's gonna freaking cost me. I'm sorry for my foul language, but you know, I gotta get the brake lines replaced too. So, yep. Thought I'd make a video of the I started it up in the last video of the Corolla when I showed you the new radiators in, and I might do an oil change too, because as I say, I'm a big with trucks and everything. And my neighbor gave me this. I'm going to use this as my good on gas car. Yep, he gave me it. I got it for absolutely nothing. Yep. And you want to know one thing? His heart is in the right place. Thank you, Robbie, over there. He's home. He's at work, but hey. Yep. So, I got this, but look, because when I had the temporary manual window crank, the wrench, it really messed it up, so I gotta take care of that soon. So, yep. That, because the part right on this part right here this part right here I meant is That part right there is missing. And this is not connected. So I'm going to take care of that. Going to get one of these things because it's a pain in the a to get this back on with the dash bezel and everything, and the dash bezel wouldn't go on if this was on. So I got to figure out. I'm going to take it to my buddy and fix it. Because, and I'm going to get one, try to find one with this part too, and with, make sure it has air conditioning, because I want air conditioning. I'm going to replace the compressor. Yep. The hazards, they work. Clock doesn't work, as I said. It's got the glove box. I put Corolla DX. Model and trim. Yep. Oh, I made this custom gear thing this to show what gear I'm in. And I put this thing for the gear shift. Yep. Carpet. Sorry for the dirtiness. Yep. But let me do a startup. No buzzer, so. Yep, so. Runs like a champ. Even though it needs still a little bit of work, those Toyotas are just like Chevys. They go forever. As long as you do a little TLC and change the oil regularly, and they'll keep going. Runs very good. At least for now. Want to do an exhaust clip too. Not bad for a 25-year-old sedan. And I still got to get the brake lines. I put fluid in it and it drank it all up, a little much of it up, so I got to take care of that. But hey, look. That is the exhaust rumbling. Got to check that soon too. So, oh, the brake line's not on. The reason it was on because of this. You heard that? That's the brake. E-brake. Now it's on. No, it's not. All right. So, want to make this quick video. Let me shut this off for a second. Then car running pretty good. I mean, it's got 160,000 on it. I mean, It'll run. I want to run it maybe until it goes to 300,000 or more. Yep, as long as you take good care of it. Let me put the hood. Let's go for a drive. Quick drive. Gas gauge works okay, I guess. 168.01. It says 167.98. That's because I've drove for the past couple of days, not too, like weeks ago, after I done made the radiator video. I drove it around the neighborhood, so get like some access into the radiator, get the radiator used to the car, or whatever you call it, but. I have the windows down to let fresh air in, but anyway, I want to be careful with these brakes. Reverse, neutral, and drives. I've just put it in drive. Sorry I didn't catch that. There's no tachometer in here, so as soon as I get a job and some extra money, I might put a tachometer in here. And I might put some extra speakers in here, so even though I'm going to get a pickup truck, I'll just use this car as my economic car. I only drive this on nice days, so when I start getting my driver's license, boy, brakes are, even though the lines need a replacement, to tell you the truth, they're actually kind of strong. Toyota, let's go places. Shut this off. Well, YouTube, I'm going to close this video, so I've got to shut my windows, shut my dad's car windows. I'll make a video of that in the future, so just want to give you an update and give me, and you guys can tell me what you guys would like me to do to this cosmetically. What would be your best? Give me a call at 84. I'm not going to say the number yet, so. All right, YouTube. That's it. Nice to see you. Take it easy, be safe, and stay out of trouble.
Peace.